Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Italia Dutton if this is your first time here. And today I'm going to be doing another BOXYCHARM video. So this is the January one. I know I didn't do the December one, but there was so much drama that went on with that. I ordered it. It said it got delivered, but I live in an apartment complex and they either gave it to the wrong person or somebody just stole it off the little mailbox section. So I had to ask them to send me another one and it didn't come until January. So I was like, well, I'll just do the January one and maybe incorporate some of the December products. So I apologize for that, but here we are. We're going to do the January one. So if that sounds good to you, then keep watching. For this month's theme, breaking the ice right here. So they give you a face gommage, Gommage. I probably said that wrong. It says it's polishing, micro exfoliating truffle face gommage. I don't know. Made in Italy. My name's Italia, Italy. And that retails for $28. Next is the Ovine matte liquid lip stain, and that is, oh, it's Qveen. Looks like an O on the package. Oh well. So Qveen Studio, and that retails for $17. Let's just open it up. Ooh, nice. I like the packaging. And I like this color. It looks like it will be a good match for me. And then there is this Pretty Vulgar concealer, and it's in the shade Undercover, and that retails for $25. It actually looks like it might match a little bit. We'll see. It might be a tad bit too dark, but I don't know. We have this Glow Recipe Watermelon Mask right here, and that retails for $22. I love getting new masks. I can't wait. I just wore one last night. And last but not least, we have this Ace Beauty eyeshadow palette. And this retails for $34.99. These colors look nice. These are beautiful. And now I'm going to try to use as much of these products as I can. I probably won't use the masks or the gommage thing, but I will use the concealer and the lip stain. And I also have a blush topper right here from the last month's thing. It looks like that, and it's called Marbled Light. Or is that the brand? No, it's called Marble Light. And I also got a brow bar right here from True Glam. Without further ado, let's get started with this makeup look. So I'm going to go ahead and use the concealer right here. Put this under my eyes. So it kind of matches my skin tone a little bit. It's not too bright, which for some looks that's fine, and that'll be what I'm going for today. But if you like a bright under eye concealer, then maybe go with the shade lighter. So it seems to have like a sheer to medium coverage. I still see a little bit of like my under eye, the dark circles under there. Let me add a little bit more to see if that helps. Okay, so yeah, it still just has like a light coverage. So this would be used for when you want to do like a no makeup look, or just a 5-minute quick, easy, no foundation look. But yeah, you know, it looks nice on the skin, even though it is a sheer to medium coverage. we're waiting for that to bake, I'm gonna try out this brow bar situation right here. So it comes with a tinted gel for after you're done putting on the powder. And then a little brush right here, which I don't think I'm gonna use this one, but I'm gonna try something else. I'm going in with this shade right here, the light one. Okay, now I'm gonna go in with the darker one in the middle and just kind of go on the outer portion of my eyebrow. I'm gonna go in with the gel. Well, it's definitely lighter than I usually have my brows. Um, hmm. I don't know how I feel about it. This is not a product that I usually use. I usually don't use powder and I don't usually use like a tinted brow gel, but we're just gonna go with it. We're just gonna go with it and we're gonna pretend that it's a darker color and that I don't have red eyebrows right now. Now I'm gonna brush off any excess powder from the bake, even though there shouldn't be a lot, but buff it out real quick. Now I'm gonna go in with the blush topper that I got from last month's BOXYCHARM. Ooh. Alright, now it's time to use this palette. I'm gonna first go in with the shade Sunset Rose right here. Next, I'm gonna go in with the shade right here. These are super pigmented, like, yes. For the lid, I'm gonna go in with the shade Aruba, this color right here. I'm gonna try it on my finger first. Guys, look how pigmented that is. Do y'all see this? Okay. Next, I'm just going to put those shades from the top onto the bottom lash. I'm just going to bring that same shade Aruba into the corner of my eye. So pretty. Sorry, my camera actually cut out on me, so I'm using my phone now. So I'm just applying my mascara. I love this eye makeup, guys. Let me throw on some setting spray. Lipstick. So this is in the shade Thick Skin. The lip matches perfectly with the eyes. I love this. Okay guys, that is the end of this. So I'm going to go over the products that I used. So I did use the lipstick, and yes, I love the color. It feels good. It doesn't feel drying. My lips still feel moisturized. The color goes great with this look. The eyeshadow palette, guys, these colors, no words, no words. I can't wait to, oh my gosh, look at all those. Now for the brow bar, I think it was a little too red for my liking. I think maybe something with more of a brown undertone would go better, but I made it work. And I will probably use those, please let me know how to say this word, gommage, I don't know how to say it. So I'll use that later on tonight, and then also the Glow Recipe mask right here. It's a sleeping mask, so can't wait to try it. Alright guys, that concludes today's video. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.